Hey, what's up, everybody? Grant here with Go Happy Beauty. I'm starting a new segment of videos called TLDL, also known as Too Long Didn't Listen. The goal is to tell you exactly what you will learn in one sentence and then to elaborate on the topic throughout the video. So today's first TLDL is make sure your Google business profile is 100% complete. What if I had told you right now, today, potential customers are searching for exactly what you offer on Google and they're choosing your competitors instead? Not because your competitor is better, but because their Google business profile is complete and yours isn't. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what that's costing you and how to fix it. Here's the reality. Google uses your Google business profile to decide who shows up in local search results. And the more complete your profile is, the more Google and your customers trust you. According to Google's own data, businesses that complete their profiles get 7 times more clicks than businesses with incomplete profiles. 7 times. They also get 5 times more views when they regularly update their profile, and 29% of customers say they're more likely to consider purchasing from a business with a detailed profile. So if your profile is missing any information, whether it's photos, descriptions, or hours, you're essentially invisible to a huge portion of your potential customers. So let's talk about what an incomplete profile actually looks like. If you're missing your business hours, guess what? 96% of customers say they're more likely to visit a business that displays its hours. If your business hours aren't listed, guess what? They're going somewhere else. No photos. Studies show that 90% of people are more likely to visit a business if photos are present. First impressions matter and they happen before they walk in the door. What if you're missing your description? You're leaving customers guessing about who you are and why they should choose you. Every missing field is a signal, not just to customers, but to Google, that your business isn't active, isn't reliable, and isn't worth showing at the top of the results. Now, here's the good news. This is completely fixable, and better yet, it's free. Google drove more than 2 billion direct connections to every single month in 2024 for American business. Phone calls, direction requests, messages, bookings, reviews, 2 billion. Your profile is the gateway to that. And right now, you might be leaving that gate closed. A complete profile includes your business name, category, descriptions, hours, photos, services, attributes, and links. Each one of these adds up. Think of it this way. If a customer finds 2 plumbers on Google and one has photos, reviews, hours, and detailed service listed, and the other just has a name and phone number, who do you think they're calling? Who would you call? So here's what I want you to do. Go to your Google business profile right now and do a quick audit. Are you leaving things undone? Are you hours accurate? Do you have at least 5 photos? Is your business description filled in? Do you have reviews? If the answer to any of those is no, that is your starting point. In the next video and throughout the series, I'm going to walk you through every single piece of your profile step by step so you can stop leaving customers on the table. Like and follow so you don't miss any of them. Let's get your profile working for you. Thanks so much and have a great day.